Essential phrases for your Japan trip. これは何ですか？ What is this? これは辛いですか？ Is this spicy? これは甘いですか？ Is this sweet? トイレはどこですか？ Where's bathroom? XXX はどこですか？ Where is XXX? 右、左、まっすぐ。Right, left, straight. すみません、書いてもらえますか？ Would you write it down? これは日本語で何ですか？ What is this called in Japanese? XXX をください。Would you give me XXX? Or may I have XXX? 何がおすすめですか？ What is your recommendation? これは XXX に行きますか？ Is this going to XXX? XXX はどこで降りたらいいですか？ Where should I get off for XXX? When you ask random people for question, you always wanted to start with すみません for like polite, smoother conversation. Hope you enjoy. There's a Excel sheet available online, so please free to grab it. Thank you.